Mayapat at panapon kayo. Magandang hapon po mga kabalin. Again, we welcome you live from the GUIAO Convention Center sa San Fernando, Pampanga. 3 games down, 2 to go. This is our supporting bout for our main game mamaya. Ito, ang Team Mabalacat MCG Cares. Ating featured player si MJ Elospa who once played 21 under natin. At sa level up LUBAO naman ay si CJ Delfino also played at the 21 under. And marami akong kwento na maibabahagi sa inyo sa labang ito. Mabalacat versus LUBAO. Our game at hand, level up LUBAO versus Mabalacat City MCG Cares. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po inyong lingkod, Ryan Barro. We're coming to you here para sa SLA Sports Production. And of course, we are at Facebook Live. Live po tayo. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-like, i-share ang ating Facebook page and Pampanga PIO, Public Information Office. And also the YouTube channels, Pampanga PIO and Sinag Liga TV. Now, napaka-importante itong laban na ito for these teams between Level Up LUBAO and Mabalacat City. As we check out this team standings, makikita natin dito sa bracket A, Level Up LUBAO already with 2 wins and 3 loss record. Samantala naman ang Mabalacat City MCG Cares has a 3-3 win-loss record, sir. Ang key dito is kung sino yung maka-top 8 in both brackets will advance for the quarterfinals. So this could be a great battle ahead of us. Again, coming up, Level Up LUBAO versus Mabalacat City MCG Cares. Ipasa na natin sa ating venue announcer, Ram Valid, for the starters of this ball game.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans. We're coming to you live inside the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup Intertown Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and powered by coverage partners Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Pampanga PIO, the Public Information Office. Our fourth game for this afternoon, it's the battle between Level Up LUBAO and your Mabalacat City MCG Cares. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First for your Level Up LUBAO. Starting at forward number 2, Memeng Pangan. Also at forward number 8, France de la Cruz. At center number 29, Alan Danan. Shooting guard number 22, Mark Manalang. And point guard number 17, CJ Del Pino. Level Up LUBAO is led by Coach James Allen de la Peña. Assistant coaches Bert Pinuya, Mark Domingo, and Dong Regala. Your Level Up LUBAO. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your Mabalacat City MCG Cares. Point guard number 6, Job Deason. Shooting guard number 12, Kim Arzilia. Small forward number 14, Jed Manabat. Power forward number 10, Nico Tipino. And center number 19, Rainier Masangan. Head coach for Mabalacat City is Homer Pascual. Assistant coaches, Rodel Lansang, Roland Pascual, Jordan Biray, and June Dueñas. Your Mabalacat City MCG Cares. Game officials charged in action, Jong Banayad, John Lisiges, and Andrew Publico. This is your Delta Cup 2023 Intermunicipalities.
Let's review the starters for both squads. Para sa Level Up LUBAO, Delfino, Manalang on guard. Sa forward naman si Pangan, Danan. Center is Francis de la Cruz. Para naman sa Mabalacat, we have Bansagan and Dizon for the guards, Tipino and Manabat for the forwards, and Kim Marcilia at the center. Referees for this ball game, si John Lisiges, Jong Banayad Jr. at si Andrew Publico. Let's get started for this game 4-5 Delta Cup. And we are on the way. Ang level up LUBAO, of course, mamaya marami po akong kwento dyan. Level up LUBAO on white-colored uniforms. Samantala naman ang MABALACAT is on dark and orange-colored uniforms. Two focus of attention for this ball game. Itong si CJ Delfino, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, nag-play yan sa 21 under. At ito ring sentro nila si Francis de la Cruz. Alam niyo ba ito si Francis de la Cruz? Nung laban nila November 5 against LUBAO, he hit a three-pointer on that left corner at the buzzer sana. As we see a basket by CJ Delfino. Pero ang naging problema, hindi na-count ng referee ang basket kasi stepping on the line. That could have been a game winner para sa LUBAO, their first game sa Delta Cup noong November 5 against Porac. Yan, pwede nga tingnan nyo rin yan sa Pampanga PIO archives natin. Samantala, turnover by MABALACAT. Here's a three-point shot from the left corner. Pumasok para kay Mark Manalang. Instant 5 points para sa LUBAO. So far, they have a 2-win, 3-loss record. Samantala, MABALACAT had a 3-win, 3-loss record. Dizon with a sidestep, the drop. Drop to shoot. Tipino short on his teardrop. Ayaw pa rin. Fourth serving, wala pa rin. Well, ito MABALACAT, they're working doubly hard on the offensive boards pero talagang nadidistract sila sa mga malalaking mama ng LUBAO as we take a look at this 3-point bomb explosion by Mark Manalang from the left quarter court. Dizon dribbles to his right. He's lefty. Kick out 3. Wala. Rebound control for LUBAO. Francis de la Cruz. A pitch. Possible home run. Delfino. Oh! Nagpakita gilas with his hang time move. 7-0. Good start for LUBAO. Wala pa pong score na board ang MABALACAT. Bansangan brings up the letter for the blue shirts. Ito na si Jeff Dizon from Tamaraki. There's a pick provided there by Nasilia. Dizon drives the hang time. That's too strong. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin niya. Hindi tumama sa ring. Shot clock winding down at 4. And there's going to be a foul given up by the big guy. That's Allen Dadan. His first personal. Take a look at this. Fast break finish once again. Delfino bumitin. Very skillful guy indeed. First free throw is no good para kay Tipino. That's Nico Tipino. Yung MABALACAT po malapit-lapit yan sa Clark International Airport. Yung Dao Interchange kung manggagaling kayo ng Maynila. First bucket for MABALACAT, courtesy of Tipino. 1 out of 2 from the free throw line. 7-1 is our count. 7 minutes and 45 sa ating first quarter. Delfino, siya nagtitimon. Pick provided by the big guy, Manuel Pangan. Delfino drops it up. Pangan, one-handed shot. Book it. Credited assist for Delfino. 9-1. Magandang panimula dito ng LUBAO. 2 minutes and a half gone by sa ating first quarter. They're swinging the one on the left wing. 3-point shot. Bitin para kay Kim Arcilla. Level up LUBAO. Gusto nila ma-level up ang kanilang performance. Manalang. Pangan. From the corner. 3-point bomb. Ayan na sinasabi ko, si Franz de la Cruz. 3-point specialist. His first bucket, 12-1. Wala pa pong field goal dito ang MABALACAT for the past 3 minutes of this playing time. Mansangan, it's gonna be a traveling. Yan ang ating mga officials. Si Jong Banayad Jr. wearing jersey number 16. 3-point shot. Ayun. Swaktong-swakto ang tres ni Franz de la Cruz. Delfino. The rest of the white shirts so far, good offensive thrust. Almost all of them scored at this ball game. But that time, they turned the ball over. Nakuha ni Manabat ang bola. Bansangan, tuloy-tuloy. Jackknife, wala. Delfino from the rebound of Mark Manalang. Delfino, quadruple team. Naka-escape siya doon, ha? Mark Manalang from left quarter court. Bullseye! Jack Rabbit start. I repeat, Jack Rabbit start by level up LUBAO. Already 15 points. As compared to 1 for MABALACAT. Take a look at this. 3-point bomb explosion by the team. And we have a ceasefire. Alright mga kasinag, Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested parties, please send a red letter of intent to sinagasiasports@gmail.com. Repeat, sinagasiasports@gmail.com, or send us a message to our Facebook page, facebook.com/sinagliga-asia. Yan, malinaw po sa inyo. Sali na kayo. Balik tayo sa action. So far, Mabalacat, wala pa po silang field goal, only a point. That's courtesy of Nico Tipino. Others are still gone cold. 3-point shot. Finally, a field goal. That's JD David. Score that one. 15-4 now. It is an 11-point lead for LUBAO. Delfino on the right wing. Drives to his left. The hang time move once again. He's taking flight. And he already got 6 points. Balance scoring for LUBAO. 2 players in 6 points. In the meantime, Mabalacat compounding the woes with another turnover. Papunta na tayo sa kalahating punto ng ating first quarter. 5 minutes and a half remaining so far. LUBAO has been superb first quarter. Let's see if they can continue this momentum. Manalang. Ito na si Franz de la Cruz. Franz spots. Converts! He is a strict shooter, that's for sure. At nandito na rin ating SLA Chairman Rocky Chan watching at the sidelines. El Lospa from 3-point region. Rattles out. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng Mabalacat, but Paul Malyari went out of bounds on his toe. And the ball will go back to LUBAO as CJ Delfino will bring up the letter for the White Sharks. So far, they have a 15-point lead. Halfway house of the first quarter, 4 minutes and 55. Delfino, siyang may tangan. Signaling play number 3. Spread out offense. Franz de la Cruz wide open. He will not take it. There's a double team immediately. Delfino check and bake. Now to Manalang. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Zip pass inside. The cut. The shot won't work. El Lospa clears the board for the blue shirts of Mabalacat. There's a double team at Hule. That's going to be the very first foul of the ball game against CJ Delfino. His first personal. Sorry, it's already second team foul. Kanina pala si Dana ang tinawagan ng foul. 2 team fouls now for LUBAO. Nothing yet for Mabalacat. 10 seconds on the shot clock now. Here it comes. Dizon drives. Kick out. Tepino momentarily open. 3-point shot. Nope. Rebound. Napitawan ni Paul Malyari. Goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa level up LUBAO. So LUBAO is the town. So after Florida Blanca, susunod yan westward is Guagua, then LUBAO. It is also the birthplace of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo and also the former MVP of both NBA and PBA, Ato Agustin, who's now assistant coach of San Miguel Beer. Yan, trivia sa inyo mga ka-Delta Cup at Kasinag. Samantala, we have a 3-second violation spotted by referee Jong Banayat. That's a turnover there by LUBAO. Pabalik ang bola sa Mabalacat. Again, abangan niyo po ang ating main game. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. It's going to be a blockbuster game. That's an A tweet for you. Angeles Apalit. It's an A game. Don't forget that right after this. Samantala, meron tayong foul sa ilalim. It's going to be a foul against... It's going to be a foul. Wait. It should be Allen Danan. Wala kasing number 23 dito eh. Second personal by Allen Danan. That's already the 3rd team foul for LUBAO. Missed free throw para kay Paul Malyari. Medyo malamig pa. Second free throw is good. That's the first point for Paul Malyari. And substitution now for the floor for LUBAO. Papasok si... ang ating SLA President and CEO, si Ray Alao. Of course, si Jonathan Buwan ng One Luid Kapampangan is also here, who just signed their contract for the upcoming 23 under of Sinag Liga Asia this March. So congrats sa team ng One Luid Kapampangan, and we have a 3-point bomb! Speaking of fireworks, look at this. Manalang has 9 points in the first quarter. Yan yung pamilya Alaw talaga. They are Lasa Lights for sure. Tupa breaks it back. Beautiful! I have never seen that for a long time. Mark Manalang, he is very intense. He is on the A game now. He's on the beast mode. Shot will work. Para kay Nico Tipino. That's his 3rd point of the ball game. Magnificent pump fakes by Mark Manalang. Habang nagsasalita kami dito sa pagpa-plug, nagpakawala ng dalawang peke ito si Mark Manalang with a basket. With a brilliant. Later on, we'll have that highlight for you. Delfino 3, wala. The rebound control by Nico Tipino. They are on a big 17-point haul so far. Level up LUBAO. Lume-level up na talaga. Both defense and offense. Nahirapan si Tipino but still tips it in for that stick back. 5 points now for Tipino. Now it is a score of 24-9. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 19. First quarter action dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. De La Cruz. Mr. Basubito sana but nabitawan ng bola. Turnover. Fast break in the works for the blue shirts. Tipino lays it in. And now Tipino making headway, heating up 7 of 11 points of the MABALACAT from him. 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter, 24-11. Delfino may tangan ng bola. He's also one of the 21 unders. Uy, abangan nyo yun ha, yung 23 under. Kasana dyan, Juan Luis Kapampangan. Fast break finish by Elospa. MJ Elospa, also a featured player for the 21 under. At dahil nag 6-0 run, ang MABALACAT tatawag muna ng timeout at LUBAO. But first, let's enjoy some of the highlights of that last bit of action. Tipino with the basket. And Elospa finishes. Score 24-13, 139 in the first. Back to live action. Kanina pinag-usapan natin si Ray Ala. But first, let's have this man, Mark Manalang. What a performance. 12 points. Yung si anak ni Ray Alaw na si NS Ray Alaw, naging panel na yan ng championship ng Game 2. Tapos yung isa naman, si Morpheus Alaw, also a player for De La Salle Green Archers. Ayan. Ang kanyang mabuting may bahay si Ma'am Mariel Alaw. 5 seconds on the shot clock. LUBAO with a drop. Fall away by Zita. It bounces out. And the ball goes back to MABALACAT. They get the rebound courtesy of Kim Arcilia. And here comes the blue shirts going berserk to that fast break, but it did not finish. Rebound controlled by the white shirts. Zita clears the board. Less than a minute remaining sa ating first quarter. Ito na 3-point shot na naman para sa LUBAO. And this time, Kenji Gonzalez joins the 3-point party of LUBAO. 27-13. Their biggest lead is 17 points. Time down to 41 ticks in the first quarter. From the rear, 3-point shot won't work. Rebound control for the white shirts. At ang bola mapupunta sa LUBAO. At meron tayong substitutions on the floor. Nandito si Sean Lorico at ng kanilang big guy na si Joshua Fajardo. Now LUBAO using the bench pump play so that those star players will get some rest. Lorico, binigay kay Franz De La Cruz, a 3-point specialist. De La Cruz creates his situation. Quick release 3. Oh, yes, but that's a long 2. Sabi ni referee John Lesigas. It's a long 2 by Franz De La Cruz. He already got 6 points. 10 seconds to go. 29-13. Last shot time before we end this quarter. Eto na si MJ Elospa. Elospa, there's a foul from the screen. At matatawagan ng foul. I see Sean Lorico, his first personal. Take a look at this. Just a slight opening for Franz De La Cruz. That's what he needed. 3 seconds to go. Down to 2. Ball tap out of bounds. It will stay with MABALACAT. Bola pa rin ng MABALACAT. 1.3 seconds. This is kind of slight catch and shoot situation. Here we go. 3-point shot. No. Kapos. And that should do it. First quarter draws to a close. As we take a look at our first quarter highlights of this encounter. This CJ Delfino fast break finish. And of course, Delfino jump shot. Made that one. At ito, ang 3-point field goal ni Franz De La Cruz na kanina ko pa pinag-uusapan. Ito na yung dazzling drive ni CJ Delfino. And All of these highlights coming from LUBAO because they are scorching hot from inside out. Fans de la Cruz naman with a 3-point lead. Nagtapos ang ating first quarter, 29, level up LUBAO. MABALACAT City, MCG cares, 13. We're back to live action here in the heart of Central Luzon. This is San Fernando, Pampanga, the venue, BREN GUIAO Convention Center. We are game 4 of 5 of our Delta Cup. Like and share of our Facebook page at facebook.com/PampangAPIO. Ngayon din sa YouTube and also at Sinag Liga TV. Second quarter is underway. Let's review the lineups for the both teams. For MABALACAT, we have Tolentino, we have David, we have Job Dizon, and this guy Elospa who drills a 3-point shot. MJ Elospa has 5 points. And also Malyari. Let's check out the lineup for LUBAO. We have Lorico. We have De La Cruz. France De La Cruz. Zita. We have Fajardo. And the one who shoot a 3-point shot missed. Pero nakuha niyang rebound. Hang time move. Walang nangyari para kay Kenji Gonzalez. That completes the 5 for both squads. Now, nakikita natin dito sa MABALACAT, they have a very slow start pero they pick up late. But what they need to do is to clamp down the LUBAO offensive thrust. At ito, sapal ni Zita. First shot block for him. He's a shot block specialist, averaging about 2 blocks per game. De La Cruz, 3-pointer. Sobra. Rebound. Naagawa ng MABALACAT. Let's see if they can do the counter fast break. It won't happen. Great transition defense for the white shirts. Binigay kay Malyari. They're swinging out to Elospa on the left side of the court. Almost a minute gone by sa ating second quarter. Ito ano lang to, supporting bout pa lang to. Meron tayong main game mamaya, the A game, Apalit versus Angeles. That's up next after this. Dice shot from the baseline. Ipinasok ni Kevin Tolentino ang bola. And the lead now is 11, 29-18. Time down to 8 minutes and 45 second quarter. De La Cruz inside. Nice sidestep by Fajardo. Naku, sumobra lang tira. Could have been an extra rice move. Fajardo, great defensive stance. He swiped that ball away from that pass. Danda binababa ang bola ni Kenji Gonzalez. Lorico from the left wing. Zita from the free throw line. Outside sniping. Ito na si Gonzalez. Yes, sir! Kenji! What shooting for LUBAO from outside. They have been on target. 32-18. 2 minutes gone by sa ating second quarter. Side step move by Dizon. There's a bone-crunching pick. 10 seconds na lamang sa shot clock. Nalito na si JD David who has 3 points. Baseline drive. The drop. Malyari. Nice pump fake! Akala ni Mac Manala siya lang makakapump fake. Si Malyari din. Inutakan. Lead is down to 12. 32 to 27 minutes and 45 remaining in the second quarter. This is going to be a great battle of sorts. De La Cruz wants to go close. Here's Fajardo momentarily open. That big guy can shoot a 3. Why not? 35-20. Para siyang big ball belga. Elospa with a crossover. The hang time move by Elospa. Not this time around. De La Cruz for the rebound. Another fast break opportunity. Rodriguez on the trail. Home run. 37-20 at Vasling. Level up LUBAO is on full display. 7-11 remaining in the second quarter. Medyo nakakamot na ulo dito ang coaching staff ng MABALACAT. Paano nila pipigilin itong all-star cast ng LUBAO? 3-point shot on his way. Yan ang kailangan nila. Outside sniping as well. With 5 points already for Kevin Tolentino. 6 minutes and 55. 37-23. LUBAO up by 14 markers. Lorico will slow down. Binigay kay De La Cruz on the right wing. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 6:45. Oh, nateman si John Lesig, si Andrew Publico, our referee, as Dizon will soar and will not score. Got a fast break. No, it won't happen. Zita. De La Cruz on the second trail. France De La Cruz. Kick out. And here's Gonzalez. Binigay. Baseline. Lorico. Nabitawan ng bola. Counter fast break. Ito na si Elospa. 2-on-2 break. Elospa will not deliver. Is that layup? Iba na ko ni Kenji Gonzalez. Kenji with a cross. Kenji drives. Kenji nabitawan ng bola, but there's going to be a foul spotted by referee Jong Banayat Jr. At ang matatawagan ng foul ay si Jock Dizon, his first personal. Woo! What a very fast-paced second quarter we have. Upo muna si Vance de la Cruz. Upo muna si Zita. As we have free throws now for Kenji Gonzalez. So far, he has 6 points. 14-point edge para sa LUBAO. Missed the second. Kenji. I missed those free throws, but at least I have 2 points in return. 39-23. Kenji has 8 points in his credit. 6 minutes remaining exacto. 39-23. LUBAO. 3-point shot on the right corner court. Walayan. That one was checked. Great habol. Ginawa doon ng LUBAO to challenge that shot. And Lurico says, let's slow down. He dribbles this ball gingerly. The lob. Fajardo. Butterfingers. Oh, nice drop pass! That's what you call hustle by Fajardo. An assist to Zita. 41-23. The lead is ballooned once again to 18. This is now their biggest lead of the ball game. And look at Lurico harassing the ball carrier. Here's a bounce pass right down the baseline. Malyari to pump fakes. The release is perfect. 5 points already for Malyari. Hindi nagpapatalo si Malyari, pero they're still down by 16 points, approaching the 5-minute mark sa ating second quarter. Sabi ni Lurico, daan-daan muna tayo. Huwag tayong magmadali. Ayusin natin ang ating opensa. Zita, kick out. Fajardo drives, spins. And the ball hits at the back of the edge of the board. Walang tinamaan. Let's see that again. 2 pump fakes, 3 pump fakes. Malyari scores. And Malyari wants to work so hard on those inside forays. He already has 5. 4:50 remaining. Oh, ito, 3-point shot. Right quarter court. Bitin. Para kay Kevin Tolentino. Ito na si Manalasan, rather. That's Matthew Manalansan, rather. Matthew Manalansan lost the letter on that fast break opportunity. Aborted. 4:40 second period. MABALACAT 25, LUBAO 41. Magandang opensa dito ng LUBAO. Ang kailangan dito ng MABALACAT, higpitan ng depensa. But that time, it backfired. Manalansan will go all the way. Blocked by Tipino. But there is a second trail as Kenji Gonzalez scored double figures, 10 points para sa LUBAO. 43-27. Meron tayong offensive foul. Illegal pick. At si Job Dizon ang tinawagan ng offensive foul, second personal. Take a look at this. Nice block by Tipino, pero okay lang. Nandito ako para sa'yo. That's Kenji Gonzalez to the rescue. Alright, upo muna si Dizon with 2 fouls. At si Vincent Sinque para sa level of LUBAO. First appearance from him. Minsan nababanggit ko yung Sinque, Sinclair. Parang pintura. 18 to shoot. Corner 3. No. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng LUBAO. Sinque. Inside drive. Pump fakes. The back pass. Lurico moves out. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Lurico for 3. Bingo! Sean Lurico joins the 3-point party of LUBAO. They already got 46 points. This is now the biggest lead of the ball game with 21. Tipino misfires. Fresh 14 for the blue shirts, but it was taken away. Manalansang drives hard, banging bodies, may foul. Yung tinatawag na banggang espesyal. First foul on Elospa. Again, we just discussed that earlier. Elospa is one of the premier players on our 21 under last season. And of course, magbabalik yan this March, next month, para sa Signal Liga Asia 23 under. 17 on the shot clock. Ito na si Lurico from top of the key. 15 to shoot. 3 minutes exactly in the second quarter. Here's a 3-point shot for the left flank. Oh, wow! 3-point shot in blue display for LUBAO. They are smoking. 12 points for Gonzalez. 50 to shoot. And that has been the LUBAO take mark. Started outside, driving inside, fast break. They are on a full throttle in this first half of action. Nag-umpisa tayo sa first quarter, 29-13. Ngayon ang score natin, 49-25. That means LUBAO already scored 20. And MABALACAT only scored 11. A big disparity in scoring production. 3-point shot na naman. Hindi pumasok. And there's going to be a loose ball foul against LUBAO. That will be Ken Lingad's first personal foul. Approaching the 2-minute warning sa ating second quarter. Medyo naglalak sa depensa ang LUBAO pero hindi may pasok ng MABALACAT yung mga kanilang outside shots except one. The drop outside. Kick inside. Tipino with a finger roll. 9 points for Tipino. He's the only good producer of points para sa MABALACAT. Others are non-existent. 2 minutes remaining. Tipino, starter step, drives, goes for the rest! Lorico with a lavender move. Sarap pakinggan, nagkape sa ere. Call whatever you may. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Espino, 8 to shoot. Once again, almost a turnover. But the referee says it will stay in the backyard of MABALACAT, but only 4.9 seconds on the shot clock. Let's see that again. Lorico. A la Virgil Meneses. Beautiful move. 3 seconds on the shot clock. 2 short on that tip in. Second effort is there. And that's a 3-point play opportunity for Tipino. And that will be a foul against Vincent Zinke, all his first personal. Great effort there by Nico Tipino. Siya lamang ang tanging scorer sa MABALACAT who already got 11. Make that 12 for Tipino. At isa pang malaking mama ang papasok para sa LUBAO. Hans Garcia will check in. At uupo muna si Ken Lingad. Approaching 1 minute in this first quarter. 1 minute and 12 to be exact. 51-30. Lorico from the corner. That's oh, by the way, spin move. Oh, second effort. Yes! Hans Garcia. Magic bunot ni Coach James de la Peña. Ayan talaga, extra rice yan. Extra rice talaga si Hans. Literal. Welcome to the club, Hans. 45 seconds. 3-point shot on its way. Air ball. Reverse. Wala. Para for the rebound. Nakuha ni Lorico. Lorico brings it up for the white shirts of LUBAO. Lorico, starter step. Drives hard to the hole. Nope. And here it comes again. Second effort. Pinasa sa labas. 9 on the shot clock. Here's the drive. Layup is good for LUBAO. Matthew Manalansan. Last shot time. The lost ball was blocked by Zinke. Manalansan brings it up. Time down to 10 seconds. Almost a backcourt. Oh, almost a backcourt violation. Good job there by Lorico. 5 seconds remaining. Manalansan, 3 seconds. Drives hard. Layup, short. And that should do it. Second quarter ends. LUBAO from the get-go in a dominating fashion. This second quarter highlights will show how little the offensive weapon of LUBAO is. Take a look. As we see some highlights for both teams. Ayan, pumasok yung tira ni Kevin Tolentino. Fast break finish once more. Lorico scored that. Rare 3-point shot by Kevin Tolentino. 5 points. Ito, 3-point shot. Bang. Para kay Kenji Gonzalez. And this Lorico highlight tops it all. Halftime score natin, LUBAO 55, MABALACAT 30. We are at halftime. We'll be back for more Delta Cup. start the third quarter. Ating score at halftime, 55, level up LUBAO, and 30 for City of MABALACAT. It was ating game 4 of 5. Let's take a look at our first half highlights. Hang time ni CJ Delfino. Layup scored by Pipino. We also have the three-point shot converted by Franz de la Cruz. Decent assist para kay Kevin Tolentino. Fast break finish by Sean Lorico. And three-point shot ulit ni Kevin Tolentino. And this, Lorico jackknife. Caps it all on that halftime highlights. Let's take a look at the scores. LUBAO, we have Gonzalez with 10, Zita with 8, Lorico with 7, MABALACAT Tipino with 14, Tolentino 5, and Elospa 4. Let's start the third quarter with this. MABALACAT versus LUBAO. Ayan, signal natin si Jong Banayat. Let's start the third quarter action. These on Arcilia, Elospa, Malyari completing the unit for MABALACAT. 10 on the shot clock. We have Cinque, De La Cruz, Manalang. We also have Hans Garcia and CJ Delfino completing the 5 for LUBAO. Dizon on the right wing, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Dizon, 3 to shoot. Pass almost wayward. It is a turnover. Manalang with a steal. Fast break. Kick out. Franz de la Cruz 3. That spot is very, very monumental to me. Mintis nga lang. Kind of fast break. Elospa delivers. And Elospa now has 6 points. 55-32. Natumba dyan si Franz de la Cruz. Natalisod. And Manalang picks it up. 10 on the shot clock for LUBAO. Here's CJ Delfino, 7 on the shot clock. Delfino dancing around, trouble. Pass. It's wayward. Hans Garcia, di niya nakuha ang bola. Turnover, babalik ang bola sa MABALACAT City MCG Cares. Take a look at this fast break finish. Elospa. 55-32. Medyo malaki pa rin ang hinahabol dito ng MABALACAT. It's a 23-point lead. Ito na si Malyari. Here's Dizon from Pabriki. 10 on the shot clock. Dizon, double team. Manalang with a heist. CJ Delfino. Inside pass. Hans scores! Plus have 1. And take a look at this replay. Hans Garcia bump into Dizon, and Dizon will be called for his third personal foul. At si Hans Garcia may mabibiyaan ng 3-point play opportunity. Maraming salamat sa halo-halo. Lahat kami dito sa SLA have this halo-halo treat as a prelude to summer, which is going to be a month from now. Samantala, MABALACAT has possession. 3-point shot, won't bite. Oh, wala nakakuha ng rebound. Malyari will not score. Tipin, ayaw pa rin. That has been the story. MABALACAT has a lot of offensive rebounds, but they keep on fumbling. They keep on missing those field goals, opportunities. Here's Manalang on the left wing. Dribble drive. The drop. Cinque underneath. Kick out to Delfino. 7 to shoot. Dribbles to his left. Hang time move. Almost, but not quite. Tipino on the other end of the floor. There's a hacking foul against Manalang. That will only be his first personal. So meron tayong substitution in the floor. Papasok si Manny Pangan at upo muna si big guy Hans Garcia. At dalawang free throws ang mabibiyan kay Nico Tipino again. After this ball game, coming up next, the Battle of Ace, Apalit, and Angeles. Remember, Angeles is undefeated, haven't played for the past 2 months. Angeles will go for the back-to-back wins. They just played yesterday. Delfino goes left. There's a pick. Delfino drives. Kick out to Manalang. 9 to shoot. Pangan momentarily open. Drives to his right. There's a triple team. Great defensive stance by MABALACAT, but the missed shot there by Francis de la Cruz. Rebound high, picked up by John Manay, but it issued an errant pass to Tipino. Another turnover. 7 minutes and 11 remaining sa ating third quarter. Hindi pa kami gutom. Medyo busog pa kami sa halo-halo. CJ Delfino will slow down the tempo for the white shirts of LUBAO. The score is 57-34. Big 23-point margin. Delfino. Kick out. Manalang. Long on his three. Sinke gets the offensive board. Will challenge Malyari. And it was taken away. Tipino on a fast break. No! Got a fast break for LUBAO. It won't happen, but there's secondary break. Sinke inside. Block. Great rejection by Kim Mercia. MABALACAT now. Kaliwang bahagi ng court ng kanilang drive. Elospa. Hang time. May foul. And it will be against Sinke. If I'm not mistaken, yes, it will be a foul on Sinke. Second personal on Vincent Sinke. At meron tayong substitution on the floor. Upo muna si Sinke. Babalik si John Zita. Our featured player, MJ Elospa, like what I said earlier, played on a 21 under. Ayan, kabarkada sila ni CJ Delfino. Ayan, exchanging pleasantries. Missed the free throw. One more free throw for Elospa. Yes, sir. 7 points for MJ Elospa. But still, a big 22-point market top line para sa MABALACAT. 57-35 LUBAO. Delfino, spread out offense. Para sa nakaputi. Here's Francis de la Cruz. Nang lamig. He missed the last 3 shots from 3-point region. Ball tap out. Natapik palabas si Job Dizon. Will stay in the backyard of LUBAO with 10 seconds shot clock. Inbound for the white shirts. Narito si Delfino. Oh, why did they reset the clock? I don't know. Baka tumama yung huling tira. Okay. Anyway, Delfino wants to create that situation. Hinawakan siya. It's going to be a foul against Kim Marcilia, his first personal. Gonzalez checks in. Upo muna si Francis de la Cruz. Medyo nanlamig siya. Hopefully he can catch fire of late. But still a big margin by... teka muna. Meron tayong foul away from the ball. At matatawagan ng foul. Is that Dizon? It is. 4 fouls na siya si Job Dizon. He's a brink of disqualification. Tipino touch it last. It will stay the third of LUBAO.
12 seconds.
Meron silang 12 seconds on the shot clock to work with. Ito na si Kenji Gonzalez. Now Tapangan. 9 to shoot. Here's Delfino. Will make his move right now. Tightly guarded. Let's see if he can escape on this. Hinawakan sa t-shirt. May foul. That's a foul. And that should be it for Job Dizon if he's called for that 5 fouls. Apat pa lang pala. Sorry. It's only the 4th foul of Job Dizon. Check that. Anyway, because of that fishing expedition ng LUBAO, is that a 3-point attempt? It is a 3-point, 3 free throws. Tingnan natin yung huling nangyari. Ayun, hinawakan, pagkahaba, kumitong referee, hindi na natin nakita. But the referee signaled a foul on the act of shooting, so Delfino will shoot 3 free throws, which he missed 1. He already got 6. 2 more for Delfino. Now 7 points. 5.5 minutes remaining. Approaching the halfway house of the third quarter. Makes 2 of 3. He has 8. 58-35. We can expect that this BREN GUIAO Convention Center will turn into a amphitheater of sorts kasi Angeles and Apalit will be battling for this last game of 5. That's our blockbuster game. Elospa short. Tipino gets his own mess. It was tied up. Pero meron tayong foul on the process. Ang foul matatawagan ay kay kanino? Foul on Kenji Gonzalez. First personal. At since penalty situation ng LUBAO, 2 more free throws will be awarded for the offended party. Oh, sorry, it's not Kenji Gonzalez. Ang foul pala dito laban sa LUBAO. So, it's a free throw miss there for Manalang. 2 misses from the foul line. 59-35. Elos para right wing. They swing it out. Drop to shoot. Oh, natalisod, natumba, naagawan ni Manalang. But Manalang travels. Didn't establish his body properly. Medyo gumulong siya ng konti. That's an automatic traveling error and it's automatic 14-second shot clock for MABALACAT. Well, medyo hindi pa nag-get going offense ng MABALACAT at napakatindi pa rin ang depensa ng LUBAO. Ito, pumeska po si David. Didn't get it. Malyari gets it right back. Elos pa uses, no, didn't use the glass. It's that short. Kasi sa tira niya mukhang babanda siya pero hindi. Bitin yung tira. Penalty situation in effect for MABALACAT. Only 2 team fouls for LUBAO. Ito na step back ni CJ Delfino. There's no foul. And he will be called for the faking a foul because of that. So he'll be given a warning. That's a warning. At foul din si CJ Delfino. And he will also give it a warning of faking a foul at the 4-minute mark ng third quarter. Kasi nung tinira niya, nakita niyo sa slow-mo replay. Yung tinira niya 3-point shot, mayroong konting acting job. So he was caught by the referees for that faking a foul. 3:52 left, third quarter action. MABALACAT 35, LUBAO 59. That's our score at hand. And ito na ang big guy, Asilia. He drops it up. Malyari turns and bangs it in. 59-37. This time, Lorico will slow down its offensive rhythm para sa LUBAO. Lorico dancing out of trouble against the tight defensive stance of the bid. Shot clock winding now at 7. Here's a 3-point shot. Off the glass! Surprise hit by Pangan. 62-37. 3:10 remaining. Here's Malyari. Ball slap out of bounds by Zita. It will stay in the backyard of MABALACAT. At meron tayong substitution on the floor. Papasok si Alan Danan. Hasn't scored yet. Upo muna si Pangan. And look at the coach. He's very happy. He applauded his effort defensively. And that's what he needed. Elos pa. With 8 seconds on the shot clock. David from top of the key. 5, 4, 3 seconds. Are they aware of it? I don't think so. They are not aware of the shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Remember, pagka may foul ka sa front court, remind nila sa ating mga teams, no? Kapag ganyan, automatic 14 seconds ang establish mo, hindi 24. Kasi yun may foul yun. Yun, naubusan sila ng opportunity. And of course, mamaya papakita namin sa inyo sa camera yung mga mayors na dumating dito. Nakikita ko na yung naka-orange, si Mayor Junte Tanco ng kapalit. One of the longest serving mayors in Pampanga. Already his second term as mayor. He had a 9-year span in 2000s. Now he will try it again as Lorico misses completely from 3-point region. We're approaching the 2-minute mark starting third quarter. 62 LUBAO, 37 MABALACAT. It has been all LUBAO basketball as Elospa rejected upstairs by Zita. 2:10 remaining. It's a play down, sabi ni Manalang. Want to spread out offense. There's a pick provided by Zita. Manalang fires from 3-point region. That's short. And a rebound controlled by MABALACAT. Malyari brings up the letter. Binigay ang bola para kay JD David. David brings it up. There's a pick provided by Malyari. Goes for the left. Thought about it. There's a baseline drive. Ayaw pa rin para kay Elospa. He's trying everything but couldn't bail him out. Those missed shots, yung mga mintis ng MABALACAT, that tells everything, no? Ang dami nilang mintis na tira. And they couldn't get it to go. That has been the story. It's a frustration foul there by Elospa. That's only his second personal foul. So it will be free throws once again para sa LUBAO. And the big guy will shoot 2 free throws. That's Alan Danan. First point for the ball game for Alan. One more free throw for Allen. Makes both. So kung makikita natin sa quarter scoring, LUBAO 29, MABALACAT 13 at the end of the first. Tapos dun sa second quarter, it is 55 for LUBAO, MABALACAT 30. Now the score is 64-37. So medyo nanlamig ang scoring for both teams. 15 on the shot clock, a minute and a half remaining sa third quarter. Ito na si Lospa. Lospa, hindi makaurong. Inside play, Malyari, the drop. Oy! Huli pero may sabit sa kamay. Could have been a block by Jeren Carolino, but it backfired. He will be called for his first personal foul instead. Dalawang free throw mabibigyan kay Kim Arcilia, but still can't buy a basket. Still scoreless at this point. 64-37, 64-38. First point for Kim Arcilia. Approaching a minute now in this third quarter. Lorico will bring up the basketball for the white shirts. Lorico with a cross. 14 to shoot. Lorico. And it is a turnover. Nabitawan ni Delfino yung bola pagkabigay sa kanya. David. Swinging out to the left flank. Now top of the key. Malyari has it. 15 to shoot from the corner and Lospa. They're swinging out on the left side of the court. Here's the drive. 8 to shoot. Outside to Elospa. Fires a three. Can't make it. Malyari couldn't get the rebound, but instead his teammate has it. Elospa with a lob. Malyari tips it out. Sorry, misses there for the blue shirts. Elospa won't give up just like that. Inside play taken away. And Delfino says let's slow down. We have a 3-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. You can see right now on the lower right-hand side of your screens. The game clock is at 17 seconds. Delfino makes his move now. There's a pick provided by Danan. Corner, Gonzalez. Nope. Elospa with 5 seconds. Last shot time for MABALACAT to end this third quarter. Down to 2, down to 1. Elospa drives. No, ran out of time. And that's our third quarter situation for both LUBAO and MABALACAT. Let's take a look at our third quarter highlights for you para makita nyo yung naging ratsada ng LUBAO as we take a look at that Elospa layup at the start of the third quarter. Of course, the big guy, Hans Garcia, scoring. And drive and drop. Malyari with a spin and a bucket. At dun sa tira sa labas, it is a 3-point conversion by Manny Pangan. And that concludes the third quarter. Level up LUBAO 64. MABALACAT City MCG Cares 38. As we zoom into the action of the fourth quarter, we have a mayor of LUBAO, Pampanga, Mayor Esme Pineda. Madam, maraming salamat po sa panunod ninyo sa Delta Cup. Welcome po. Mayor Esme Pineda of LUBAO, Pampanga. She's very proud of his boys, of her performance. Start na po tayo ng fourth quarter. At review natin ang ating quarter scoring, mga kaibigan. First quarter, LUBAO 29, MABALACAT 13. Second quarter, LUBAO 55, MABALACAT 30. And the third quarter, LUBAO 64, MABALACAT 38. Yan po nangyari sa ating quarter scoring. Ako po muli ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, coming to you live on the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga, as we have an illegal pick. Offensive foul will be called against Jeren Carolino, his second personal. So let's see the MABALACAT players on the floor. We have Malyari, we have Mansangan. We also have Dizon, who has 4 fouls. And we have, we'll check the other persons as we have a turnover. we have Nico Topino, who's leading the charge with 14 points, and El Lospa. Para naman sa LUBAO, we have Jeren Gonzalez, Lorico, we have CJ Delfino, we have Alan Danan, as we see the getaway by CJ Delfino, and of course we have Jeren Carolino. Kick out to Bansangan, sidestep, rims it out, rebound. That's going to be 14-second shot clock. Ay, hindi pala, turnover. Bola mababalik sa LUBAO. Take a look at this. This is a great escape act by CJ Delfino. How about that? CJ. He's already accounted to 10 points. Makes his move now. 6 on the shot clock. Pick and roll. Clobbered. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Ball goes back to MABALACAT as we have a foul. Spotted up the reps. It will be back-to-back fouls by Jeren Carolino. That will be his 3rd personal foul. And we have Franz de la Cruz. Checks back in para sa LUBAO. Upo muna si Carolino. 8 and 10 remaining sa ating 4th quarter. Again, paulit-ulit na sinasabi, coming up next, Apalit versus Angeles. May shot from 3-point territory. Franz de la Cruz checks the rebound. Ito na ang fast break. Uy! Bangane special. Is that counted? No basket. It's going to be an offensive foul on Franz de la Cruz. That's his 1st personal foul. 43 team fouls para sa LUBAO. Clean slate still para sa MABALACAT. Respect provided by Tipino. Back dribble there by Lospa. That's too fancy. Taken away. 3-on-1 fast break. Delfino was clobbered. Huli ka. You know, with this type of lead, CJ Delfino wants to showboat. Gusto niya magpakita talaga ng kanyang mga aerial acrobatics. Inbound by Franz de la Cruz. Lorico, who has that jackknife earlier. Ito na si CJ Delfino. He will chew up the clock. 10 seconds. He wants isolation. CJ makes his move. 5 seconds on the shot clock. He fires a 3-point shot. Bingo! 13 points for CJ Delfino. Dizon wala. Tipino gets it right back. Drops it out to Malyari. 2 pump fakes. The release is perfect. +1. Ang foul matatawagan ay si Alan Danan. That will be his 3rd personal foul. Take a look at this replay. May konting sapal. Naku offensive rebound. Drops it up. Malyari 2 pump fakes. And he got the release. 3-point play opportunity para kay Malyari. JP Malyari. Didn't get it. Franz de la Cruz. Oh, Dizon steals it. He has 4 fouls. Ito na si Lospa for 3. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng MABALACAT. Malyari, ball slapped. Outside, Dizon. Thought about it. Balik kay Malyari. The spin, the turn. No soak, but there's Tipino. Wala pa rin. Oh. Talagang inaalat ang MABALACAT sa kanilang mga field goal. Tutukan na. Di pa rin na ipapasok. 69-40. There's still a big 29-point margin. 29-point market to climb for MABALACAT. Time is slowly not on their side. 3-point shot, wala. And a rebound control by the white shirts. Joshua Fajardo clamps that. Slow down tempo na para sa LUBAO. Ubos oras na lang sila ngayon, CJ Delfino. As early as the first half, this game is already out of reach. But of course, ang gusto ng Delfino magpakita pa rin in a spectacular fashion. Here it comes. 7 to shoot. Delfino, pick and roll play. May hacking foul na tinawag ang referee. It will be the foul against Rainier Bansaga. That will be his 1st personal foul. 2 free throw attempts para sa isang malaking mama, Joshua Fajardo. So dalawa silang malaking mama, si Joshua Fajardo at saka si Hans Garcia. Pero mintis ang unang tirin Joshua Fajardo. But it's hard to choose who will be the best player, but kung magpapakitang gilas pa si CJ Delfino, maybe he will get it. As Fajardo misses those 2 free throws, the lead is still 29, 69-40. Scores hardly move, huh? Baseline drive. Dizon. Door shot in his face. Ito na si Tipino. No look pass. Bansagan drops it off. 8 to shoot on the outside. Taken away. Franz de la Cruz will go for the cookie. 8 points now for Franz de la Cruz. 71 to 40. This is a big 31-point margin. Elospa. Hang time. Didn't get it. Another rebound for France. And Delfino says, patay tayo ng oras. Approaching the halfway point of the final quarter. 71 to 40. Dadami na baba ang bola ni CJ Delfino. And they still have 9 seconds on the shot clock. 5 to shoot now. Delfino creates, elevates, and scores! 15 points now for CJ Delfino. One highlight after the other. Ito na si Bansangan, 3-point shot on its way. Dismal failure. Kapos, kapalaran. That takes the cake of Mabalacat. That has been the story. Their field goal shooting. They need to improve that if they want to win. They can't afford to miss those shots like that. 73 to 40. The lead is 33 points now for LUBAO. With 4 minutes and 37. Siguro first time ko palang masasabi ito, no, sa broadcast. Kung sakaling pagdating nating 3-minute mark. CJ Delfino with 5 to shoot. He lets it fly. No. Rebound control for the blue shirts of Mabalacat. Ito na si Dizon. Dizon with a bounce pass. And Tipino couldn't finish. They just couldn't finish those inside forays. For the past quarters, that has been the big story for them. 4 minutes remaining. And this... Okay, pwede na sabihin. Okay, sabihin ko na yung pamosong statement ni the late Chick Hearn, one of the broadcasters of LA Lakers from 1966 to 2002. At pwede ko na sabihin ito. This game for LUBAO is in the refrigerator. The door is closed. The eggs are cooling. The butter's getting hard. And the jello's jiggling. Sure win na po ito para sa LUBAO. There's going to be an instant W. They're going to improve their record pending on the final score. Will be with a 3-3 record. Samantala Mabalacat will drop to 3-4 as we have a foul underneath. Laban kay Rainer Bansangan. So, ang mga fans natin dito sa BREN Convention Center, pumupwesto na sila dito sa kabilang side para tutukan ang kapanapanabik na laban ng Apalit at Angeles. And the mayors of Apalit and Angeles are in full force to witness this spectacle. As another bench player will shoot free throws. Jordan Mariano, first point for him. One more free throw para kay Jordan Mariano. Okay. Well, correction lang sa pangalan, hindi pala Bansangan. Basangan pala. Basangan. Rainer Basangan. Check that. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Manalansan has it. Ito na si Delfino. CJ. Shot clock at 6. 3 minutes remaining. Let's see if he can showboat. Here it comes. Crossover. Layup. Beats the buzzer but didn't get it. 3 minutes remaining in this ball game. Final score na lang pinaglalabanan dito mga kaibigan in the sport game. Espino. This is just like on the game yesterday. The game is 73 to 47, but this time it's a much better score, 74 to 40. With 2 minutes and 45 na lamang sa ating laro. 10 to shoot. Manalansang drives. Manalansang will not score. Rebound control for the Blue Shirts. Nabitawan ng bola ni Gerald Espino. I don't know if he's related to Dennis Espino. Hindi ko natanong kanina. But anyway, this is already a one-ball game for LUBAO. And CJ Delfino's exit plumps them the W that they needed. Carolino, tres. Ayaw. Rebound nakuha ng Mabalacat. Mayroon tayong foul laban kay Jordan Mariano. That will be his first personal foul. We're approaching the 2-minute warning sa ating fourth and final quarter. We're approaching the last 2 minutes. Penalty situation in effect na for LUBAO, but it doesn't matter anymore. First free throw is good para kay Tolentino. That's Kevin Tolentino, who's got 6 points. He had the 5 first quarter points, pero in the second and third quarter, he's gone cold. And the rebound by Jordan Mariano. Ladies and gentlemen, just a few seconds. Our venue announcer, Ram Valid, will announce this Twilight Zone. Listen. Indeed, it is the last 2 minutes. Oy! Muntik na akong tamaan. Buti na lang may TV dito. Kundi, sapul sa ulo ko direct. Kami rin 53 remaining. Well, ganyan kami kasaya dito sa SLA Sports Production. Manalansang, short on his shot. And the ball, mapupunta sa MABALACAT. So, they limit MABALACAT to a low 41 points. And check that. MABALACAT only scored 3 points in this quarter. That's how ice cold they're shooting. Yun, isa pa yun, kapos. And Manalansang will go for the cookie. And Matthew Manalansang scored his 4th point of the ball game. Viray misses from 3-point distance. And tapos na po ang ating laban. Ito na, naghihiyawan na mga tao para sa ating Angeles palit matchup. But of course, before that, mayroon pong uupo sa ating tabi for our best player honors. But let me finish this sa halo-halo. Mariano scored basket for LUBAO. Oh, look at that. Nice dribble. Nice wraparound. JM Butison. Butison with his first field goal. We're down to the final 35 seconds. And this game is on ice. And this is an instant win for LUBAO. 3-3 record. They're going to improve it. And for MABALACAT, they'll drop to 3 wins and 4 losses. So, busin na lang po ang ating shot clock. This will be a shot clock violation for LUBAO. And it's 6.4 seconds. And in just a short while, we're gonna interview our best player of the ball game. Ang ula ko dyan, si CJ Delfino. Pwede rin si Matt Malanga. Ating final score, 78 points for LUBAO, Level Up LUBAO, and 43 for MABALACAT City MCG games. And in just a short while, interview natin ang ating best player honors. Ayan ang ating scoreboard. Final score natin, 78 points for Level Up LUBAO and 43 points in the city of MABALACAT. And of course, in just a short while, ito na, may napili na po ang ating best player of the ball game who scored 12 points, and all of his 12 points are coming from the first half. Here it is, our best player of the ball game, mga kaibigan, si Kenji Gonzalez. Of course, Kenji scored 12 points, majority in the first half. Matanong ko lang, nung second quarter, nung kayo bumulusok na to a 30-point lead, anong nag-trigger sa inyo na talagang pahintuin ang scoring ng MABALACAT? They only limited to just 40 points.
Yung sinabi lang po sa amin ng coach namin na ayusin po namin yung depensa namin at yun lang po. Sa depensa po kami bumawi.
And of course, yung depensa na yan magke-carry over sa playoffs. Alam kong you want to be a hunt on the top 8. Ano pa mga facets of the game, Kenji, para sa iyo ang gusto mo pang ma-improve? Kasi given na yan, si Delfino, effective yan. Si Franz de la Cruz, effective yan. Pero para sa iyo, ano pa yung facet of the game na gusto mong ma-improve para sa LUBAO team?
Ayun nga po, depensa po para sa sa court po.
Okay. Anyway, Kenji, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, magpapakakatong ka lang bumati at magpasalamat sa iyong mga kababayan. Go ahead.
Pinapasalamatan nga po ba yung buong bayan ng LUBAO at sa mayor namin, sa Vice Mayor, kay Boss Marty, kay Coach Allen, kay Coach Bert, tsaka sa pamilya ko po, salamat sa suporta. Yan po.
All right, our best player of the ballgame, Kenji Gonzalez, congratulations at good luck sa iyo. And of course, importante dito for LUBAO, they're gonna improve their record to 3 wins and 3 losses. Kenji Gonzalez, our best player of the ballgame para sa Level Up LUBAO. Coming up next, the blockbuster game that we're waiting for. Palit ay lawin and an undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors. This is a production of SLA Sports. Wag na wag kayong bibitil. Dito lang kayo sa Delta Cup. Magbabalik po kami.